What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. I think these days that we see in cryptocurrency, right? We have to go through what's happening, whether it's down times or seeing some sort of slight positivity. People need at least some sort of information to say what's going to happen and how they feel, because people have asked me in the last couple of days, like, what's going on with JasmyCoin? Do you still feel a certain type of way about JasmyCoin? Are you still holding on to it? And they want to see these daily updates because they want that confirmation that people still believe in it. You don't have much conversation that's happening outside of things that we're talking about here, or maybe a couple of videos here and there. So you want as many updates as you can get to understand what's going to happen, where things are going to go, how you feel about it, all of those different things. But just know that we're seeing JasmyCoin reach the bottom again. We're seeing JasmyCoin get back to some of these low levels that maybe some people bought at. And the one thing that you have to take from this is that if you believed in it where you bought in this position and you see a future within it and you've seen a future within it, understand that you still have to try and believe in that. These are the times where it's going to make you doubt yourself. And I think you need to find a way to fight those things. And I'm here, to help you and give you an understanding of how I feel, but you should be able to research that and find that for yourself as well. So before we get into this detail, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out the video sponsor, I Trust Capital, please do so. Their link will be at the top of the description. You can get yourself a Roth IRA or traditional IRA through I Trust Capital, and we're talking about cryptocurrency. Not investing into the stock market, we're talking about cryptocurrency, which is going to have massive value and massive growth. So, if you are making a lot year over year, you don't really want to use an exchange to have to pay that capital gains tax every single time you take a withdrawal. But in a Roth IRA or traditional IRA, the taxes are either deferred or completely eliminated, right? If you have $50,000 in Bitcoin gains, you may pay 7,000 plus, $1,000, right? 7,500 plus dollars in capital gains tax. If you have a Roth IRA, you pay zero and you keep that money in there and it continues to compound and you make more money on top of that. That's what we all want. So if you want to check it out, I have a I Trust Capital account as well that I would show you, but I did just get logged out. I can see that it says log in, so I did just get logged out. But I do have a couple $1,000s in there as we speak in a Roth IRA and traditional IRA, because I want to make sure that they're either tax deferred or taxes are completely eliminated, especially with all the gains that you can have in something like an XRP or BTC or any other positions that they do offer. So feel free to check that out. Link will be down there in the description. I don't think you want to miss out on that opportunity. But what we're here to talk about today is JasmyCoin. I know it may be tough, right? When you look at JasmyCoin currently and the prices where it stands, it's sitting at 0.004481, or as I like to say, 44 to 45% of a penny. We were at a level of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even all the way getting up to 6 cents per coin, sitting at billions of dollars worth of a market cap, and now it's sitting at a $221 million market cap. If you were only looking at this position, you would say it's collapsing and we're not going to make any money from it. However, you look at the entire crypto market and understand that crypto is coming back, not just JasmyCoin. People don't not believe in JasmyCoin because of some ungodly reason, right? They see the potential in JasmyCoin. You have people that are selling for whatever gains they did have. You also have people that are making mistakes in selling JasmyCoin at these levels, thinking it's going to go even lower, and they don't get an opportunity to buy in or buy back in and hold on to this position that they thought was amazing. I can tell you there are so many times that people have reached out to me and said, Matt, I wish I would have held on to my JasmyCoin, or I wish I would have never sold at this level, because now I bought higher than where I originally purchased at. Somebody that bought at 50% of a penny bought at 1 cent, and they were upset with what they did because they had so much more JasmyCoin, they could have made so much more money. I've seen it time and time again, not only in this position. So you end up chasing it as you move forward. So I don't want people to end up making that mistake. I'm not going to tell you that you physically do not have to, or you shouldn't sell it, or you don't need to sell it, or I will, put everybody on blast if you have sold it. Like, I'm not going to do that. If you want to sell your position, I'm game to have you sell whatever you want to sell, because it's your position, it's your opportunity, it's your money, and what you wanted to do, right? I just don't want people to come back and go, man, I made a mistake. I could have had hundreds of thousands of dollars, maybe even millions of dollars, in gains for JasmyCoin, but I decided to see the negativity and feel like that was the only reality. And that's not the case. JasmyCoin is going to be worth more, no matter how much or how much information or lack thereof that you do hear about. No matter what you hear the CFO is doing, or executives are doing, or partnerships or going different ways, you have to believe in what you've believed in. And this time right now, this negativity that we've seen in the last year, right, 61%, 62% down in the last year, this is what will push you in the wrong direction. This is what will say you need to get out of this position, and push you to sell your position and not believe in it anymore. And then when it starts exploding again, you go, why? Why did I let them talk me out of it? It's your investment. I'm not going to be the other side and talking you into it. I'm just giving you kind of both sides so that you can take in both pieces of information and make that decision yourself, rather than overreacting and going, I need to, sell all of this, or I need to buy a boatload of it, right? You kind of sit where you are and you believe in it just like you did before. Buy another position, believe in that other position that you buy as well. You don't have to sell to buy. You can just add another position to your portfolio. I know it may be tough, especially in these down times. The markets aren't looking great overall, but it's an opportunity. And I see this opportunity as we move forward, right? So I just wanted to kind of be the a little bit of positivity that we need in the markets, because there's a lot of negativity going on right now, and we'll probably go over that in future videos. But make sure you guys take some time to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think about JasmyCoin, because there's not much news that's going on, but no, I still hold 3 million JasmyCoin, and I wish I had more free money to buy more, because I would hold 5 million. I would hold 10 million if I could. But that's not a reality for me right now. So honestly, I would love to. It would be about $40,000 total. I guess if I'm looking at only 7 million that I have to buy after the 3 million, it would be less than that. But still, the total amount would be about $40,000 just to be able to get 10 million JasmyCoin. That could be worth so much more, and will be worth so much more. So anyways, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out my link for I Trust Capital. You can also check out my link for BTCC if you guys are interested in that. That is a platform that I've been using for over 2 years, or close to 2 years. And you'll get a 10% deposit bonus, extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees with no VPN and no KYC that's required. So check out my link for BTCC if you guys are interested in leverage trading. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.